Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubakmi ya katena transport ubak Sniawbhalang Dhar haka arpau tarik naiwing ulaong baka sorkar kala penkere ya ka jingkhot tender thymmai nak benta ka jing pynheh ya ka lingsun Shillong Airport kebala sak teng mentala kham slam. Ngila penkere ban pelat no ya ka tender maria dap IT ya ka tender ka jing pentre ya ka kam kan sedang no mardor. Kedai benlong mentau senam ong ubah Sniawbhalang haba benram baka tenda balakot hashwa la haban pendam no namar kijing bat mentala penkre da kabat mai. Ka Airport Authority of India AAI kala bukpor kat prabnai ban pendap ya project na duk bala IT ya ka work order. Ka kendon ka bagi pentip syangi kalong banaduk katarik bala IT ya ka work order kapor bala buk ban pendap ya ka project kalong kat prabnai pensyai ubak Sniawbhalang. Ha kabayadai bat ka Baljek Airport usembut Menteri Rangba ulaong baka jinglet jurip lang hapdeng ke AAI bat ka sorkar Meghalaya kan itu bat bantiat jaka syuk-syuk nak benta kan ke projek kadang sateng haduk menta. Ngidang up ban pelong ya ka jing jurip lang ngidon kami ki riu syampang nak AAI bakin wan bat pen iya ka jaka kabaya hap hashwa bingintiat ya ka jaka ulaong haba jubam ya ka jingkeli baka sorkar kala kerpat ban mang sanpau klur tingka nak benta kan ka projek. Usembut Menteri Rangba ula banjur baka jing siu kam de satya ka jing Hendry ka de ka jing don kam ya ki riu syampang ka AAI ban pentikna ya ka jaka ka badai nak benta ban pynheh ya ka lingsun.
No, tender is under process. So as soon as the tender is allotted, so the work will start immediately.
This year we can expect.
It should be by this year, if not was by then, they should be able to allot because it's not from the state. No? Tender has been called from the Airport Authority of India. First tender has been called and there is some complication, no problem, they refer to the tender again. So the only condition they inform us, from the date of issuing a work order, the time of completion should be 18 months.
Coming to Baljek, what is the status?
That's so simple. We are waiting for the joint inspection with the Airport Authority and the government of Meghalaya. They will identify the land, which land is qualified for us, we will acquire for additional land. We will make the functional. Because also now, if we decide, suppose if the land is not feasible, so therefore we need the expert from the Airport Authority of India to come. So even there, we had a meeting last week. I told them, please follow it up in my officer, request our Airport Authority to fix time immediately for the joint inspection. We'll see. Because they asked, but we'll see first where the land, which is the additional land, and only then based on the DPR, we'll make a payment on the issue. The issue is that they have to come expert from their side to locate for us this is the right direction so that we can acquire the land. Only then we'll go for the further